Welcome to Vision Effect TV. Today, we are standing before the absolute peak of handcrafted British custom design. Triumph has officially pulled the cover off its latest, highly exclusive masterpiece, the Speed Twin 1200 TFC. Representing the prestigious Triumph Factory Custom Program, this motorcycle is strictly limited to just 750 individually numbered units worldwide. Each machine carries its own unique edition number, beautifully laser-etched alongside the TFC emblem directly onto the Billet aluminum top yoke. The styling is pure, unfiltered aesthetic drama. Draped in a striking, glossy black and deep obsidian gold fuel tank, decorated with a marble gold stripe, the paintwork feels incredibly premium. To shed weight and enhance the performance stance, Triumph has utilized gloss carbon fiber across the bodywork, constructing the front and rear fenders, side covers, heel guards, and exhaust tips from this ultra-lightweight material. It is a gorgeous blend of classic roadster heritage and modern, high-end styling. But this custom creation is not built purely for static display. Beneath the hand-painted fuel tank sits a highly responsive, high-torque engine. Powering the TFC is Triumph's legendary, high-compression 1200cc Bonneville parallel twin motor. Operating with a distinctive 270-degree firing order, this engine delivers incredibly linear power, pushing out over 103 horsepower and a brutal 112 newton-meters of peak torque. The acoustics are just as impressive as the performance telemetry. The engine breathes through a custom-designed, brushed stainless steel 2-into-2 exhaust system, capped off by dual, premium Akrapovic silencers with carbon fiber end tips. Combined with an electronic ride-by-wire throttle and 3 distinct riding modes, this powertrain delivers immediate throttle response with a deep, rumbling exhaust note that is absolutely unmistakable on the street. To match this potent engine, the chassis setup has been upgraded to deliver exceptionally sharp, athletic handling. While the standard bike relies on very capable components, the TFC steps directly into elite territory. Up front, the traditional forks are swapped out for fully adjustable, gold-finished Öhlins inverted front suspension, paired with matching, fully adjustable Öhlins piggyback rear shock absorbers. This setup gives the rider precise, customizable control over the road, soaking up imperfections while keeping the chassis perfectly flat through aggressive corners. The braking package is equally relentless, utilizing dual, track-ready Brembo Stylema radial mount calipers clamping down on massive 320mm front discs. Power is sent to the rear wheel via an exclusive, gold-colored drive chain, highlighting the extreme attention to detail built into every square inch of this machine. Time for the definitive Vision Effect TV Diagnostic. Who is this ultra-exclusive 1200cc factory custom actually for? If you are a passionate modern classic enthusiast who demands elite suspension telemetry, and you value the pride of owning an extremely rare, individually numbered piece of British motorcycling history, this machine is a flawless target. Triumph has masterfully combined high-end track components like Öhlins and Brembo, with custom carbon fiber styling that you simply cannot buy off a shelf. However, if you are looking for a casual, daily commuter where you do not have to worry about scratching exclusive paint, or if you prefer a modern, high-windshield adventure bike, this highly focused, raw roadster might feel a bit too precious for your daily routine. But for the collector who wants to ride a true custom masterpiece, the choice is clear. This is Vision Effect TV. Would you put this limited edition TFC in your garage? Hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We will see you in the next deep dive.